been a while since I brought this gun out. This is my Smith & Wesson M&P 5.7. And it has my channel name engraved on it. This came from Small Arms Supply Co. when they were still open. And I bought a Holosun red dot to put on top. I remember when I first got this thing, I would complain about how thin this gun was and how it felt weird in the hands. Kind of like you're gripping a TV remote. But weirdly enough, I grabbed it today and I'm like, it doesn't feel that bad. Funny is I hit every shot, but it barely made a noise on the metal target.
I didn't even know you hit.
I hit every shot because I was watching the target move a little bit. Here, you get a magazine, I'll show you what I'm talking about. You hit it. Like, it doesn't sound like you hit it, but you hit it every single time.
Yeah, I could tell. I could see the plate move. Yeah, this thing's like shooting a 22. There's zero recoil.
And honestly, a 22 rings that target more than this thing.
Huh.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is like holding a brick, though. That grip is just...
Kind of like holding a TV remote, right?
Yeah, thick and uncomfortable.
The only problem I really had with this pistol is with the magazine. I noticed if you fully load it, you'll have like the cartridges get stuck below the feed lips and then it doesn't feed in. That's the only issue I've had with this gun. All right. Oh, that is going to be a really hard shot. Now I'm going to move over here. Cool. This gun is really easy to hit with. I forgot about that. It's got a really good trigger. I just wish I could get more 5.7 ammo now, because I forgot how much fun this thing is to shoot.